Killing me slowly, so dance.
Sorry. Now welcome back on top the night show. What we will discuss today for the night show? Now matter of two brothers when it be say their family inheritance way full everywhere. As in plenty. Now the younger brother, the papa put everything on top because the senior brother had been they do wah before the papa died. Now, when they do wah now, he not comfy bomb
between wah
now.
He was wayward.
Wayward. So the short
okay,
in case the wayward. The short form of wayward is wah.
Oh, now I know.
From Oshun, good evening. Oh, I bet call us back. That wayward. Wah.
I see. Oh, no, I don't learn something today.
One question, I just think I'm saying. So must there be, say, maybe wiping involved? What if the brother we won't die? So you can't look and say,
wait,
now.
Before you ask that question, hold that question before you ask her later. Now, I see I know why. In case you just they join us, the topic now this matter when they follow talk. So two brothers, when we say now only two of them are mama and papa born. The younger one, I get the whole inheritance of the family when he be say plenty way. He get 2 months to live. Cancer, all those things. He not get pikin.
The other brother.
Now the other one now where get wife, we supposed born a machine gun.
Fire blank.
The fire blank. Fumi from Ogun, good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing, my sister?
I'm very fine.
I beg for this matter, what do you get to do if not you?
You there, road?
You do Akada?
No, I'm not. I'm in the house.
What you gonna do for evil spirit? Check amo. If not you, what you go do?
Anyway, there is something wrong in the brother.
Evil spirit.
Are you hearing me?
I don't hear you. Would they hear you?
I don't see anything wrong in that.
Make
as long as they are the same blood, they are brothers.
Oh,
an outsider.
The money get anything to do with
the money
So
get.
if the other brother and maybe that sleep with the wife,
yes,
is it the same blood? Nobody will hear it outside.
So now one of them,
two of them to just go without leaving anything on earth.
You understand?
So me, I don't say anything wrong. It is
if you come born girl,
at all.
Leave game matter.
if you come born girl, uncle.
You guys go get the inheritance now.
As long as at least don't bump it.
Thank you, Fumi. You never see.
Continue now.
You never see where person die carry inheritance give dog for Yankee. Gift from Sulele. Good evening.
You know they happen here now.
Gift. Good evening. Okay.
You don't hear say Alaji Musa die leave all in cow to dog. My brother.
Now, make a hand over to MF on top Twitter. Prince, my Kudi talk say. Now wow, it is very difficult to think about it. For what reason, sir? You never know.
So Emmanuel Green first talk
Emmanuel Green first talk say, I will not agree. Why must my wife be the person to dance in shame? How would I look at the child? Then he can't send another one. Can't say, but on a second thought, if the inheritance is great and much, and I will accept it. You understand?
When we say
we tell ourselves truth.
Tell yourself some home truth.
Tell ourselves the truth. Because this inheritance, you are my brother. This inheritance. Now you when they sleep with your wife, it will finally come to you because now you go get the pikin. You don't understand.
The custodian of the money.
Now you go be the custodian of the money. You go take care of the money.
And you can spend it if you like.
Now you can spend them anyhow.
And no finish.
No, you don't go finish.
Nedu see like we not want to talk before. I feel talk am now.
Talk am now.
Okay.
You don't know verse now.
He has given his point across.
Because
they said don't bring two.
The question when they ask me say, must there be wiping involved? Okay, why the brother not go just go and talk
that
say
kind of money, wiping must be involved.
My brother, with that kind of money, wiping must be
How
involved.
much be this money now?
No, you know,
wipe.
okay, make her talk am. Make her talk am. The money, make her talk am. We don't want to talk am before.
even with the assets,
Hold
the
on,
money
hold on. When they value, apart from the properties, when they value businesses where the family gets, it was going close to, I think like 12 or 13 billion. 12 to 13 billion naira.
Story.
Property not join no.
Okay, don't do Nedu.
No.
okay, wait,
Wait.
Nedu, wait. And that guy we won't die, so why God not just touch it? Make you look and say, okay, well, make I just kukuma will and give my brother and his
You
wife.
know, see,
And he won't wipe.
it is not. Stephen
So,
from Abuja.
it's not a willable money.
Stephen
a
from
wipe-
Abuja.
Is it
Abuja. Stephen from Abuja. Good evening.
Blood money.
Stephen from Abuja. Good evening. How you doing?
I did fine. I did fine.
I dey hear you. Talk to me.
This your program. This topic is very interesting.
Guinea.
Very interesting.
Your topic is very interesting.
But my brother, we not fit hear you well now.
This topic we are discussing, we are Africa.
Africa.
Yes, we are Africa.
Okay, him in Africa. What do you do Africa?
You say we are
Okay, we are Africa. Who?
Yes, we all of us listen to this program. We are Africa.
Okay.
The topic we are discussing has been happening. It is still happening.
Evil spirit, Call us back.
One for the evil spirit around your
Now,
house.
for those of you who don't understand, talk back from Kano. Good evening. 9 colors, 9 cuts that time. Talk back.
You don't come back.
Funny, don't buy credit. Talk back.
Yes, I'm hearing
You
you.
don't buy credit, Abi. Hey, evil spirit.
Hello, good evening.
Talk
now.
off your television. Yeah.
Bye. Hi.
I need now the sound good.
I know the thing on understand. Wrong. You understand? Now, back to now where they talk. The property, then are businesses, other ventures where they get aside property. Like between 12 and 13 billion naira. My brother! Girls, where they Nigeria, where I know, now you go call the husband. Now you got your man. The one that you're wiping me, are you giving me money? Are you giving me money?
Must you sell yourself like that
No! Are you giving? No, the guy go say.
Must you sell yourself like that for money?
Leave that thing.
You know what's in it? You know how they take get the money?
Monjaro, if not me. No, I think it's the former minister. So they don't get some kind property. Look, Tony Monjaro, lap me for the number to motor. Some girls where I know now, especially all those girls where they bleach. So most other guys now then go call the man.
Under 1 billion.
Call him. What did you talk?
Under 100 billion.
Tight of that 13 billion, 1.3 billion. Tight of the 1.3 billion.
Almost 1
Then go
billion.
call the husband. Go corner.
More than 1 billion. That's tight too.
Good evening, John. AB from Bedway. How is you, Biko?
Where are you right now?
No.
I said, man, you can have a
All yoin.
Hey. You understand? Now the guy go drag the man, go corner and say, Nnamdi, are you mad? Since we've known you for this life, you married me. Do you have money? The guy not going even their house.
And come they wipe me blank.
He wipe me blank. You not even wipe anything enter.
That guy no go reach
The
out.
guy not go their house when
No,
she
he
go
no go
go.
remember.
She'll go meet the guy. Live in Nnamdi, you stupid. How do you want to snake and ladder style or swing style?
Commissioner.
Okay, Mark could change this matter now. If now you don't know the amount of money where they involved. Easy beats, talk true. When the guy sleep, if now you the brother sleep with your wife, the inheritance automatically belongs to that boy, which is the thing when they be say they don't arrange them. It has to be their family lineage. If now you talk true now, you go please make them wipe your wife.
I don't agree.
Hey!
Get out!
Come on, get out.
Get out! Give me my cap! Give me my cap! Bring the cap!
Why would they crucify exhibit?
I'm a big man.
Idiot!
I don't agree.
Why you they? Why you?
Go bring the Ikemoto Manjalo cap!
Why must you wipe my wife?
I don't know.
My brother for 13 billion, he can wipe any white paper.
anything why people wipe it.
I go bring my sister-in-law. I go give am 2 jara.
Una too like money on top Twitter. All of una too like money. See this one. DJ Indo, I see you. If the brother Igbo man make we forget them. They did as done. Because as they do talk so, I dey suspect them. ECB nice mix. One say Nedu for that amount 12 billion she must agree or no talk. He said no more talk. I go help am arrange the bed and the room. This is the Emmanuel
from Abuja. Good evening, Biko.
Yeah,
how is you, my brother, Stephen?
I will manage you.
If na your brother, what do you go do?
It's a very simple matter now. It's a family issue. And these issues have been happening in Africa. It is happening now. It's continuing to happen.
Bottom line, you go do.
Bottom line, you go agree make them wipe your wife.
Brother. There was the issue of 2 brothers. Okay. One died. Then they now say the other one should sleep with the wife of the dead brother so that the family name can continue. Okay. And the marriage too.
You understand? This thing they happen.
Did he say dead
brother? The mother and the two don't see the wife. Okay. So even my traditional setting, Easy Beans, my brother there, is an Edo man, he's a Benin man. This he goes on in Benin. He knows that if one brother cannot impregnate his wife,
the other brother will wipe.
I don't know what that is.
And there is a kind of code.
No, me know you're in EC.
Okay. No. Okay. All right. Thank you. Furo.
If no 13
Furo from Abuja. Good evening.
Good evening,
Hey! Good evening,
Furo from Surulere.
Furo from Surulere.
Not only here.
Sorry, dear.
Hey, Furo.
Yes.
What if now you? What do you go do? This is what you the vex so.
Why I no go vex? I don't dey call on her since. Catching me a sweet baby.
Oh, my sweet darling. And now?
I'm fine.
If now you, what do you go do?
If not me, I no go why. Leave her, make it die with the money.
My sister, as we don't know who side take the money or which disease when they carry for body.
Thank you, Furo. Continue with the tweet messages.
Person say, Aisha say, what if the wife no get belly after the wiping? No be 2-0 with that. Big up so easy.
Aisha.
Tony, because tell us what I tell you say Tony they travel go.
Tony, I beg. Tell us what you get for plans as plans, I beg.
Tony they go.
Tell us your plans.
Well, na under G.
Okay.
There, you know,
I like this guy.
But we are trying to make things happen. You know? Okay. You won't grow after a while.
You for people, man.
You don't do act and finish. It's time to actually, begin tell your own story and everything.
Produce your own movie.
Exactly. It's not about money all the time. You got to do something. Okay. I'm looking forward. I don't begin speak Oyibo.
Not talk anything.
You don't enter the zone.
I don't, so I don't write some few things that I'm going.
Oh, now you write them.
I'm write them.
Now you write the movie yourself.
Episode. No,
wow.
It's a TV series.
TV series.
You remember me and you write TV series.
You go work. Trust me. When I come back, we go work.
When you they come back, not be when you come back.
1 year time.
How many years you go take come back?
I don't go day long. Probably like in 2 months.
2 months. Okay. Now what you they go do for America? Tomorrow they go America now.
No, I go London.
You go London tomorrow. So now for the movie, now for the series, now for the
TV series.
TV series now you they go shoot.
Yeah. Once I finish that one, come back, come do the editing, everything here.
Then you come release and here. I've been at the day.
No, release and here. Okay. The whole world.
My brother.
I say Tony don't plan season 2. They go 2A.
Season 2. Season 2 now for Ellie. And another one I look forward to.
We must go there.
Anyway, Ola with me from Oshu. Good evening. Want to continue?
The night show go there. We must go there.
So I look forward to that one. I mean, I don't want produce scenes.
Okay.
I don't
Now, when your first production be this one?
My first major production.
When you go do and by yourself.
Because I know when I go to university, now multimedia and film production I study. Minor on film production. And I don't do one TV sitcom pilot before. But this is my first. Say I go do the complete 13 episode. It go hard.
I get it.
What I am going to do it.
You are going to do it now.
Moments with more talks. If you can think it,
you can do it, my brother.
Let me tell you. You are going to do it.
Hey.
You see, I'm going to prophesy in your life now.
Thank you.
Dole Monjaro.
May you kneel down.
Make I take this call first before I pray for him.
Okay.
From Benue, good evening.
Nedu.
And now, how is you?
Yeah, good evening. See, if the mother goes
live with his wife. Because the girl don't get the level. So now, if the man that look under him, God, how do you think they come here? I don't go there, but I don't go there.
You has a point there.
If you no come die.
If you not come die.
If you dey lie.
The first two callers talk and say, so are you called?
Hey, thank you, Ebi. But not to think of. If the man don't wipe finish now,
you go kill him.
you know where come bad pass. If the wife can't like the wiping,
Don't really go back.
Nedu.
from Bayelsa, Ima, good evening. Ima? Okay, yeah, one more call before we carry come out. Read that Twitter.
You don't forget to pray for Tony.
I go pray for no before we go pray for him.
Emmanuel Green say, easy, yours they make mouth because of say outside no get money. Oh. Katim, you look good. I know Coco, I know Kokrio, I craze, need na purity. If he die, Namiko still carry the inheritance.
Now, what people don't understand with that? That people don't understand. It don't finish.
Say, Prince Mekudi say, yours because he one born, I know Cree. Emmanuel Green say, see money, oh. Yesterday topic na money. This today, oh, still na money, still before wiping. He say, if na me, this na Kingsley, I could cream my brother do sha. But what if you no concrete that again? Hashtag wahala go boss.
You go kill him.
See there from my papa die. I swear this time you will kill. No, you will die. You will die.
You don't say you go die.
Is it because of that you wipe my wife? You are going to die here. I won't pay. If not say I give you a time you drink and die. Anyway, Tony Monjaro, as they go so now.
Yes.
What's be your working title for?
What's be your title of the?
I don't give them away. Me person go differ.
My brother. No, they go pirate everything.
I'm telling you.
Give me your hand. If you before we go, we are going to.
I like the title.
You are going easy bit. You are going to give us a worship song.
Yes.
So he's going to kneel down. We are going to cast out every wrong spirit out of its body.
Out of
its body. Out of its body. Yes, you are going to give me Psalm 302. You are going to read it out to me. Then we are going to connect the deliverer. You are going to remove your cap. Then we pray so that as they go London now, that the thing where they go, you go do and where? Lay down there. Katim. Let us bring a worship song. Give us a worship song.
That's song where they like to sing. Where they
no, you do that. Mama come on, come on.
See you want pray for?
No, come, kneel down.
He must kneel down. He too tall.
No,
you get the cancer when they see for person.
No,
don't worry. Kneel down.
He too tall.
Easy bit, come. In case you want follow down.
We worship together now. Then we go kneel
No,
down.
now you
down
now. You are going to sack you. Kneel down. Kneel down. Mama Driga, Chinake, Mama Driga, Onyama. Hey, Jesus, Chineke. Oh, Onyama. Hey, fire. Any woman, nobody stop you. Fire. We never pray finish. Kneel down. We never pray finish. Kneel down. We never pray finish. All of you now, we're close for nation. Wait first. All of you now, we're close for nation today. Thank you. Receive. All of you now, we send tweet. Receive. For tomorrow, receive. If now you go wipe, receive. If you not agree, receive. Tony Monjaro, receive.
Okay, no.
Okay. We are going to thank God now with a dance offering.
Okay.
Oh yeah, let us dance now.
We dance offering.
Okay.
So dance offering. Give us music. Let us dance and thank God because He have done it.
Yes.
Oh, give us.
Is he when they play R1B?
Not the R1B now. You are killing the spirit.
No, how about they play rhythm and blues?
Give us. Hey, Shocky. No, these are.
No, is it? Nedu now. Make easy call.
Oh yeah, if you will come to Shocky.
Then in Shocky when they like do so.
Hey.
Now why they go?
Now
when everybody they shocky.
No, why you go?
But if you get this for body, the guy will make you the shocky.
1, 2, go. Exercise.
I wanna see you drop it now. For me now, on this ground. Oh yeah, down.
Shocky, ha. Mami, one more get over your D, ha. Money go out to our body, ha. All I want to do is to shocky, ha. Mami, one more get over your D, ha. Money go out to our body, ha. All I want to do is to shocky, ha. Shocky, ha. Shocky, ha. Shocky, ha. Shocky, ha. Shocky.